evening, I'm Laura Yamada. Paula Akana has the night off. Well, a two-decade-old fight over civil unions now just down to a matter of days. Right now, same-sex and heterosexual couples are preparing to be the first to say "I do" under the state's new law taking effect at 12:01 a.m. on Sunday. KITV4's Jody Leon caught up with a couple who plans to take the plunge early that morning.
Gary Bradley and Paul Perry have been companions for 3 years. Both have fought tirelessly in support of same-sex marriage and civil unions in Hawaii. Now they are days away from realizing a large part of their dream.
It's something that we've wanted.
Bradley and Perry will be among the first same-sex couples to apply online for a civil union shortly after the new year begins on Sunday, when civil unions in Hawaii become legal.
And we're no different than anyone else as far as making a commitment to each other because we love each other and we care about each other. And that's what it's about.
But before Bradley and Perry could select their wedding attire, their lei-in flowers, and their footwear, they had to terminate their reciprocal beneficiary relationship.
We wanted to participate in it because it was the only thing that was offered.
Under a civil union, Bradley and Perry will enjoy the same benefits as married couples, but only in Hawaii and other states that recognize civil unions.
It's just one step closer, which is what we want, and that is the full marriage equality. So we'll take what we can get.
Bradley and Perry will have to wait a few months after they apply to receive a paper civil union certificate from the state health department, but the electronic certificate will be available much sooner.
We're hoping to be able to get that, those certificates, those electronic certificates, have couples access that within days of their event.
Gary Bradley and Paul Perry have only days left to decide whose last name will go on their certificate.
Should you be Gary Perry?
No.
Jody Leon, KITV4 News.
11 other states and Washington, D.C. recognize civil unions and same-sex marriage. The health department says civil unions in other states will also be recognized in Hawaii starting January 1st. And on that day, both civil union and marriage license applications will be available online through the state health department.